Hey, this is Guan. Welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, this cool right here, and basically what this is a convection oven. So you can definitely use this in many different ways. The one that we got right here is from this brand right here. So they mentioned how you can use it as an air fryer. You can definitely use it as an oven as well. You can also use it for fries. You can also use it for pizza. You can also toast stuff. You can also broil stuff. You can also keep stuff warm. You can also make wings in here. You can always bake stuff. You can also defrost stuff, dehydrate stuff, and also cook veggies in here as well. But this is basically what the packaging looks like. So I'm actually put this down and open up to show you guys what's included inside first. Alright, so when you take out the box, there is a box inside box. And this is basically what the packaging looks like. And they mentioned how it air fries faster by 50%, which is pretty cool. If you turn it on the side right here, you can see there's a bunch of specs or facts that's on here. So they mentioned how there's 12 different functionality that's on here. They mentioned how it uses 1700 watts of power for the product. They mentioned how it has a turbo convection heat technology, so it actually heats up really fast and very safe as well. They mentioned how it's very spacious, so if you guys want to put like a 12-inch pizza, you definitely can. And they mentioned how it has a 3-rack position, so you can definitely separate stuff in 3 different racks or 3 different sections if you guys want to. And they mentioned how it has an extra large fan inside, so that way it actually heats up the product fast and also helps the product cool down fast as well. But this is basically what the packaging looks like. Let's open up and show you guys what's included inside first. Alright, so when we first open up the package and see that this is basically what it actually looks like. So it's all well protected and everything. But let's take off the protection layer first. So once we take off that layer right there, you can see the actual product inside. So let's continue taking everything out first. Alright, so you see the package is quite big. So let's actually take this out first. So when we take off the air fryer, there's actually something underneath it. So you see they provide you guys this tray right here that you can use to put inside. Definitely feels like a high quality material, if you can see. And here's what the back part looks like. And that is basically everything that's included in the package right here. Now let's take out the protective layer to show you guys what the air fryer looks like. Alright, so when we take out the protective layer, you can see that this is basically what the air fryer looks like. So it definitely looks pretty bulky. But you can definitely see that actually looks like a high quality material that they use on here. But let's take out all the wrapper first to show you guys what it actually looks like. Alright. So once we take off the wrapper, you can see that this is basically what the product looks like. So we have all these preset buttons right here. Let me bring the camera over so you can see a better view of the product. So you can see they have an air fry option, a toast option, a bake option, a convection option, a broil option, a dehydrate option, pizza option, keep warm option, deep frost option, fries option, a wings option, and a veggie option right here. And then right here we have the timer option right here. And they also give you guys the option right here to control like the temperature if you guys want to increase or lower it. And then it has a timer option here as well. And then right here we have a start button, and here's a cancel button, and here's a light button. And then right here is the function button. So you can use this to adjust certain stuff on here, which I'll find out how to use that in a second. But this is basically what the product looks like if you didn't see. So right here we have the handle option right here, but we can't open it right now because it's taped up. So I'm actually remove the tape and show you guys what the inside looks like. Alright, so now that we remove the tape, let's open up and see what the inside looks like. So we just want to open up this part right here. If you can see, it goes all the way down. But you definitely have the option to not bring it all the way down if you guys want to. So if you guys want to keep it around there. Or if you guys want to bring it around here, you definitely can as well. But definitely really cool how I give you guys the option to adjust how high you guys want it or how low you guys want the lid to go. It definitely have that sealing option right here to keep the product warm inside, which is pretty nice. But you see inside there's a bunch of accessories, so let's take it all out. Alright, so it looks like there's 2 more racks right here. Let's take it out. So basically they provide you guys 2 more racks right here on top of the one that I already provided you guys inside. So here's one of them. And then here's 2 more. Let me actually take it out. Alright, so here is the second one. And then here is the 3rd one. So whether you guys want to toast stuff, or if you guys want to like grill stuff, or if you want to broil stuff, or if you guys want air fry stuff, you definitely have all the options available for you guys right here. The cool thing about the fact that they provide you guys 3 of these trays right here is the fact that, let's say if you guys want to air fry stuff, you can basically put this on top right here. And you basically want to slide this inside right here. So you definitely see that the product is very spacious. So if you guys want to like bake stuff, cook stuff, toast stuff, air fry stuff, you can definitely do all of that on here. And right here they do provide an instruction manual to teach you guys how to set a product and how to use it. And obviously in the bottom layer right here, there's another tray as well. And this is basically like the trash tray or whatever. So I'm actually take it out to show you guys what it looks like. Alright. So this is basically what it actually looks like. And you basically want to put this in the bottom layer. So that way if there's any crumbs or anything that falls in the bottom, it definitely has the option as well to make it easier for you guys to clean everything that falls down there. But this is basically everything that's included in the product right here. If you can see, everything that's provided for you guys right here is super cool. So you definitely have like many different trays to use for many different situations. And definitely really cool how it has a light option right here, which is inside the actual product, which I'll show you guys how that works in a second when we actually turn it on and plug it in. But this is basically what the product looks like in the front. Let me turn it around and show you guys what the back part looks like. So this is basically what the back part looks like. If you didn't see the way how to design the back part right here, it definitely is really cool because they have these like support on here. If you didn't see in the back right here, they definitely have like the ventilation and everything. So when you guys use the oven or the air fryer, it definitely has the ventilation in the back. So that way the product will never overheat, which is pretty nice. And the bottom part right here is basically the cable that's going to plug in to activate the product. And if you guys look at the slide, this is basically what it actually looks like on the side right here. If you haven't seen. So they do use high quality stainless steel material right here to make this air fryer oven. But when you guys look at the bottom of the product, let me show you what it actually looks like. Alright, so here is basically what the bottom part looks like. So they definitely have the non-slip material on the bottom, so when you guys put it onto a table or flat surface, it definitely will not move around, which is super awesome. So when you guys are cooking stuff or whatever, it won't keep moving around. So that is basically everything that's on the product. Let me actually bring this over to a table and show you guys how it works and how to actually use the product. And then we'll come back and talk more about product in a second. Alright, so we got the product all set right here and we're using the big option and we're baking salmon inside. So if you guys want to turn on the light option, you definitely can. And this is basically what it actually looks like. So I'll leave this on for the 12 minutes and we'll come back and check on it when it's done. Alright, so it's almost done. Let's turn on the light. Alright, so it's basically done. Everything here. So when we open it up, this is basically what the product looks like. If you can see, it's done. So the product definitely does work. If you guys want to change the different settings on here, you definitely can. So the way how you guys change the different settings on here is by using the function button right here to switch it. So as you want to use air fry, toast, bake, broil, dehydrate, pizza, or whatever, you can definitely do all of that on here. And you can customize the temperature and time on here as well. But definitely see the product definitely does work, if you can see. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you guys want to test our product and definitely see that actually does work and actually quite well. Super easy to install the product and super easy to use, if you guys can see from the video. I definitely love the fact of how you guys can actually have those 3 different tray options. So if you guys want to cook multiple stuff at the same time, you definitely can. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and test out the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is super worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you're actually trying to look for a product that works as like an air fryer and also works as an oven that also has all the other functionality that's on here as well. If you guys want everything that I mentioned earlier, then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have to want these, then obviously don't buy one and save the money for something else that actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.